Hi.
Hi.
I'm calling to say goodbye.
I'm kind of in the middle of something. Can I call you back?
Oh. I'm sorry. If it's something important, just forget about it. It's okay.
Wait, it's okay. It's okay. Go on, you were saying.
I said, if you're busy, I'll call you back.
I just said it's okay.
No, it's not okay. It's never okay. Look, I'm calling you to tell you something important, and you're obviously in the middle of something. You're always in the middle of something.
Just hold on. Look, let's just calm down. There's no need to
I
get...
am calm.
Okay, I'm listening. So you're going on a trip? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Bye-bye.